This is a tutorial on how to change the frequency immediately on the nearest airport. So what you do on the PFD is you press the nearest, and you'll see all these airports that are around your area. And in order to pick the frequency for that airport immediately, because right now I picked on the highlighted box 118.60, I'm not sure what airport that is, but I want to change that in order for me to go to the next airport. So in order, let's say I'll pick San Jose, KSJC, I'll just turn the FMS, I will just turn the FMS knob, which is right here, to the right, and select the frequency of that airport, which is 1240. Now the blinker is on there, highlighted, and I should press enter. Before I do that, here's the frequency on the box, 118.60, and I would like to change it to 124.0, and I'll press enter, and voila, there goes the new frequency. This is very, very helpful if you're wanting to change frequency to go to another airport.